All right, court is calling 2024 CR 1271, State of Texas versus Renee Roman. If I could have parties announced for the record for the state.
Casey Garrett and your
Defense.
Raymond Bell for the defense.
All right, pause right here. This case looks routine on paper, but stay with me. What you're about to hear is a judge slowly realizing this isn't just about a stolen vehicle. It's about a pattern and a father who keeps choosing crime over his kids.
And are you Mr. Roman?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Discovery Acknowledgement with your, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, on both, Your Honor.
All right. Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Roman, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you, counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We so waive.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand in count one, you're charged with the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. And did your attorney explain to you the court admonishments and review that with you in detail? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Quick legal note. Unauthorized use of a vehicle is a state jail felony in Texas. That means real prison time, not probation court, not a slap on the wrist. And notice how carefully the judge walks through the punishment range. That's to lock in that this plea is knowing, voluntary, and airtight.
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you understand that the range of punishment for unauthorized use of a vehicle is anywhere from 180 days in the state jail facility up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Court counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Based on my interactions, I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Roman, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. How do you pronounce your last name?
Roman.
Roman. See, that's what I was thinking because I was thinking about Judge Roman. All right. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
This part matters more than people realize. By waiving appeal, he's basically saying, I accept this deal, no takebacks. Once the judge follows the plea bargain, the door to appeal slams shut. That's the trade-off, certainty now, no arguments later.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on count one. Punishment is to be assessed at 15 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,000 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, sir.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
I did file pretrial motions, Judge. However, they were not presented to the court for hearing.
Then to count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Be the same. No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places, Mr. Roman? Again, did you understand you have a right to, and state you may continue to confer? Again, did you understand you? After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty.
And here's where the tone changes. Up to now, this is paperwork and procedure. But the judge is about to pivot, away from statutes and straight into character. Watch how fast this stops being about the law and starts being about responsibility.
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just ask the court to follow the agreement of the parties. My client understands that he had a definite lapse in judgment when he engaged in this activity. He recognizes it was inappropriate behavior, and he, wants to accept responsibility for that.
That question hits hard. Are your kids proud of you? Judges don't ask that lightly. This isn't humiliation, it's intervention. The court is spelling out the ripple effect. Crime doesn't stop with you. It echoes into your children's lives.
So that way you can get back on track. He does have a family to support. He has a wife and a child. It's definitely been difficult on him being in jail. He understands he just needs to get this behind him. That way he can get back on the path to supporting his family.
Why do you keep stealing?
It's just bad decision, man. That's it.
Well, why do you keep making bad decisions of stealing?
I mean, I don't know. I guess it's just history against this. Something that I just keep screwing up. That's it.
How old are your children?
9 and 6.
9 and 6. So do you think they're proud of you right now?
No, I don't.
So why do you keep doing things that are not making your children proud of you? That's the question. You've got to get to the root cause of that, because the way I see it, you're going to end up spending the rest of your life in somebody's prison. And you know what's going to end up happening? I don't know who the mother of your children is. I don't know what type of person she is. I will tell you, some of the women in my family, I won't say some, all. If you go to prison, they're not bringing children to visit you at the prison. And then, of course, the rest of the family is going to say, why do you keep having children with this person who keeps stealing? So you need to stop. Otherwise, you're going to spend the rest of your life in prison or in the Bexar County Jail or wherever it may be. And then you know what ends up happening? Children, the way they learn to speak is they listen to other people and they imitate what they're doing. So do you want your children stealing leaf blowers
No.
and then driving to the location to sell the leaf blowers back to the person that it was stolen from?
Right.
And then not only do you bring the complainants their leaf blowers to try to sell them back to him, but you arrive in a stolen vehicle.
That final warning is brutal and unforgettable, becoming the grandfather of the prison. So here's the real question for you watching. Was this tough love too harsh, or exactly what someone stuck in a cycle needs to hear?
All right, court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 15 months in the state jail facility. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money will not run concurrent and give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. You better make better decisions. Otherwise, you're going to be that person at the prison, and you know what? A new person's going to come in and they're going to say, how do things run around here? And somebody's going to say, oh, you need to ask the person we call the grandfather, because they're the old person here. And they're going to say, who is that? Oh, that's Mr. Roman. And they're going to point to you. Don't be that person. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Let you. Excuse, Judge.
You're welcome. Yes. Have a good one.
Good to take care.
Norma, we need Natasha